Teams from Arkansas also in Texas, some since the very beginning of all this.
Yeah, 5 News reporter Claire Everbach checked in with them to learn how they're making an impact there on the ground.
We're here in relief and support of the Texas Guard and anything that they need from us.
Lieutenant Kyle Klucher of the Arkansas National Guard arrived in Kerrville on July 4th to support South Texas flood recovery. Since then, they've been helping with a variety of missions.
Moving equipment, moving personnel, moving search teams along the river into fields, moving food, meals to those that are stranded, getting people evac out of certain places.
Klucher says nearly 2 weeks later, water and debris are still everywhere.
A bunch of places where water shouldn't be, where it should be in the river. It's been in other places, so it's been quite a scene that we've seen down here.
Local nonprofits are also stepping in. Sheepdog Impact Assistance, based out of Rogers, delivered trailers full of supplies down to Liberty Hill on Sunday. They have over 90 volunteers from 17 different states on the ground. Disaster Response Ambassador Giovanni Pallavicini says the team's main priorities are clearing debris and recovering personal items.
We're finding Bibles, we're finding jewelry, old coins. We found a Marine's ring yesterday. They're able to have a little bit of that past and hold on to a little bit of the hope of the future.
Pallavicini says it's a team effort driven by purpose.
We have a passion for people, and so we're able to come alongside our brothers and sisters that are military and first responders to help out.
He encourages families to accept the help being offered.
This is a long recovery process, and so allow for us to step in and bridge the gap this second week and serve you and your community.
Klucher shares the same message, assuring Arkansans and Texans that their mission is to show up in times of need.
We train week in, week out for things like this so that we can support our sister states, or we can support in-state in Arkansas for missions like this. When anything bad that happens in the state, this is what we're here for.
Claire Everbach, 5 News.
Later this week, by the way, on 5 News Plus, we'll be airing a 1-hour special on the Texas flooding. Hearts and Heroes Flooding in the Texas Hill Country will debut this Friday. Our affiliates in Texas will be raising funds to help those who are still in need. You'll be able to stream it free on our smart TV app, 5 News Plus. Again, that is coming up this Friday.